Hi, I'm Azar, a professional photographer and video editor, and you are watching Azar Media channel. In this video, I will create transitions using masking techniques. Transitions like these. Let's get started. As always, I have these clips. Let's add them to our timeline and start the process. I want to make the transition for one skin. You can make it larger or shorter. With the help of razor tool, cut the last 1 second of your clip and copy it by holding Alt or Option, dragging it one track up on top of track 1. Then take the pen tool and start masking. Create a triangle mask. Zoom in the program monitor a little to adjust the mask properly. I think it's okay. The mask is ready now. Copy the mask one, then select the top clip, right-click the opacity and paste it. Then invert it. If you see issues like this, you can fix them by readjusting the mask or increasing or decreasing the mask expansion. Now bring down the mask feather to 0. We don't need it. If you are unfamiliar with masking basics, I have a video on my channel. Click the link above to watch it. Our masking process is done. Now let's animate that. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video. Write your ideas in the comments, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload a new video. First list the top clip, then list the bottom one, and apply the transform effect. Wait, why I am nesting? I apply the transform effect directly to the clips without nesting them. Let's do that and watch what happens. It's not working. My masks are gone. That's why you must nest them before applying the transform effect. Now let's nest the top clip, then nest the bottom one. Now go to the effects panel, search for transform effect, and apply it to both nested clips. Then select the top clip. Bring your playhead to the beginning of the clip. Go to the effects control panel and start the animation by clicking the toggle animation for position under the transform effect. A keyframe is created automatically. Now go a few frames forward and decrease the position X and Y value to its alphabet. Then do that for the bottom clip. But this time, add the alpha of its amount to the position X and Y value. Remember, do this for both clips simultaneously because the keyframes must be synced to each other. As you notice, our screen has been split. Now I want the animation to stop here for 1/3 of a second and then leave the scene. To do that, go a few frames forward again, copy the previously created keyframes and paste it in the playhead position. It will copy the last keyframe property here. Do that for both clips at the same time. Now your animations move halfway and stops. I want the animation to start moving again and leave the scene. To do that, select the top clip, go a few frames forward, and decrease the position X and Y values to 0. Do that for the bottom clip too. But this time, double the position X and Y original values. The position original values are 960, 540 in the 1920 1080p sequence. To make the animation smoother, just add the ease out property to the first keyframe and ease in to the second one. Then again add the ease out property to the third keyframe and ease in to the last one. If we look at the keyframes graph, we see these nice curves, which means our animations will go smoother. Now let's add some motion blur to it. To do that, uncheck the Use Compositions Shutter Angle and change the shutter angle to 180 degrees. Look here and see the motion blur. I should zoom the program monitor a little so that you can see the motion blur clearly. See, the top clip has motion blur and the bottom one does not. Now do the same to the bottom clip. Our animation has been created. Select the both nested clips, move them one track up, and drag the second clip underneath the transition. Now you have a nice transitions over your clips. You can add some sound effects to make it more interesting. Now let's watch it. That's nice. That's all for this video. If you want to know more about masking hacks and techniques, I have a complimentary video. Please go and watch that video. The link is on the end screen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.